Do you think that you may have bad gas in your car? Here's how to know for sure. Gas can go bad if it sits in your tank for an extended period. Auto experts estimate that gas can go bad after 3 months. Because the gas begins to break down and become less effective in the engine. Here's what to look for when you suspect you may have bad gas in your car. 1. Engine stalling. If your engine is slowing down its operation or no longer functioning, then it is in the process of stalling. This can happen if you are attempting to drive with old or bad gasoline in the tank. 2. Engine startup issues. If you try to start up a car that has been sitting in your garage for months, the gasoline may have degraded to a point that it will not be able to turn over the engine. 3. Lack of acceleration. The quality of gasoline plays a big role in the performance of the vehicle. So if you are driving with bad gasoline, your engine will not have the proper fuel that it needs to deliver the desired acceleration. 4. Check engine light. Anytime there is an issue with the vehicle's engine, your check engine light will come on. This can happen when you are driving with bad gasoline in the vehicle. When this happens, it is a good idea to go to a service center and have the vehicle inspected with a diagnostic scan tool. 5. Delayed gear shifting. If you notice that gears are slipping, then you may have bad gas in the vehicle. 6. You burn more gas. Bad gas will be diluted and it will not be as effective as good gasoline. So you will need to burn more gas just to maintain the normal operation of the vehicle. This could lead to more trips to the fuel station. Here are the steps to take to remove bad gas from your car. 1. Remove gas tank from the vehicle. The process of removing a gas tank from a car can vary depending on the make and model of the vehicle. Generally, you want to disconnect the battery and start the engine until it stalls. This will prevent any accidental ignitions. Be sure to identify any attached components like fuel lines, filler neck, and straps that secure the tank in place. 2. Siphon gas from the tank until empty. Use a siphon hose to suction the gas out of the tank. Please note, don't siphon gas with your mouth. We recommend using a squeeze bulb siphon. 3. Add dry gasoline. This is an alcohol-based additive that helps treat gas tanks that have been contaminated. 4. Fill up your tank with high-octane gasoline. Even if you don't have a high-performance vehicle, you'll want to make sure that your engine is receiving the highest quality gas after being contaminated with bad gas. So how do you avoid contaminated gas? Avoid leaving gas in your tank for more than 3 months. If you're planning to garage or store your vehicle for more than 3 months, then you'll want to drain the tank. Use high-quality gas. The better the gas, the better the performance. Use a fuel additive. Add a fuel additive that can help protect the quality of the gas in your tank. Testing for bad gas. Test for bad gas by swapping the gas and checking how much water is in the gasoline. If there is a higher than usual concentration of water in the gas, then it is considered bad, and the vehicle gas tank will need to be drained. We hope this video helped solve your problems. If so, give us a like, and follow us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you on the next video.